Millions of Americans face the potential of dangerous flash flooding this morning. Heavy rain and thunderstorms battered parts of Colorado overnight. In the meantime, Tropical Storm Bill poses a threat to the southern plains. It is churning in the Gulf of Mexico about 90 miles off the Texas coast. Omar Villafranca is in Galveston, part of the 300-mile stretch of shoreline under a tropical storm warning. Omar, good morning.
Good morning. The window to evacuate here in Galveston is already starting to close. Now, right now, what we're seeing are some of the outer bands of this storm. It's not expected to make landfall for a few hours. The island of Galveston could get about 10 inches of rain. Other parts of the state, they're talking about a foot. And a lot of people will get a heavy dose of sustained 50-mile-an-hour winds. Waves battered the shores of Galveston early this morning. On Monday, red flags whipped in the wind as signs of the looming tropical storm hit the Texas coastline.
We've fastened our shutters, we've moved stuff off our porch and out of our yard that you might become a projectile.
As people evacuated ahead of the torrential rain, salty ocean water washed up on the roadways in the Bolivar Peninsula.
We expect there will be flooding. We don't know where, how bad, or for how long the flooding will be right now.
Texas just endured its wettest May on record. Newly released surveillance video from the Memorial Day storms show how raging floodwaters overtook a bar in Austin, sending stacks of tables and chairs swirling. Now, the waters that killed dozens across the state, washed away homes and soaked cars, are likely to return. We're getting ready for round two.
That's what I heard.
What was here? Was it carpet, hardwood?
It was all carpet.
This is what's left of Lillian Price's home of 47 years. 3 weeks ago, it was severely damaged by 18 inches of water.
Nothing worse can happen than what's already happened to my house. When nature decides to do its thing, it does it. And you just sit there and look out the window and watch it.
School districts in the eastern part of the state and also here locally are already closed. Now, the rain is expected to hit heavy here and into Wednesday, but it should taper off later on in the week. Nora?
All right. Thank you, Omar.